What is exactly WordPress? What is the buzz? Is it used for blogs or for websites? What does it mean that it's free? Do I need to code to build a website with WordPress? In this video, we'll answer these questions before you start thinking about building a website with WordPress. First, do I really need a website when I already have social media for my business? Websites ensure that you own the content as opposed to social media where you actually don't. A website is a single point of entry to all your audiences. This means that you no longer need to struggle to figure out which social media to use for each situation. You can also organize your content better on websites. Have you tried searching for a promotion you saw about your favorite restaurant on their Facebook page? You could be spending some time scrolling down. Finding information on websites is definitely a better experience. And websites rank better with search engines. A website with your own domain name is better for your branding rather than using a Facebook page. You are now convinced that websites are important. But what is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system. This means a software that you can use to build a website. At the beginning, and for so many years, it was considered a platform for only blogging. Some people still do. Some people think that blogging is not the same as having a website. But did you know that websites and blogs are basically the same? Back in the day, we thought it was difficult to build websites. We thought we needed developers or someone with coding skills, and that therefore it was quite expensive. Nowadays, did you know that it's quite easy to implement websites and that you don't need to code? There are many other softwares that you can use to build a website. So why use WordPress? WordPress is open source. That means that anybody can access to the code and contribute to its further development. But wait, is that a good thing? Yes, this constant contribution ensures that the software is always updated and it's secure. But who contributes to it? The guy next door? Is it safe? Many companies like hostings and individuals like to contribute to WordPress. They all follow a process where code is reviewed and tested before being merged. This community is a great resource to learn about WordPress and attend WordPress events and network. Chances are very high that there is a WordPress community in your area. There are WordPress communities all over the world. Have you tried searching for one in your own city or town? Getting access to this community allows you to participate in a big ecosystem built around WordPress with developers and designers of plugins and themes. With a strong sense of community, it has become an environment where one can innovate and even find jobs. So, is everything free about using WordPress? WordPress as a software is free and can be downloaded to any computer. But you need to pay a hosting service where your website and information can live online and be available to anyone. Some hosts include one-click WordPress installations, which makes the process very easy to start. There's also WordPress.com, which is WordPress plus hosting plus support. Learning WordPress is very helpful as a teacher, marketer, manager, designer, writer, blogger, online seller, and so much more. You don't need any technical skills, and learning can be free thanks to the community behind it. So before we leave, we've learned that having a website is very important in comparison to your social media. WordPress is not only a blogging platform. You don't need any coding skills. It is open source and many companies and people contribute to it. You need a hosting service to install WordPress. There's a whole community behind it to help you learn, attend events, network, and also find WordPress developers and designers of plugins and themes. So, are you ready to give WordPress a try?